Hello，各位爸爸妈妈，大家好，我是 Vicky 老师。最近春天来了，我们家的小菜园里好多的种子都已经发了嫩芽。然后我们最近特别发现到有好多的小麻雀会啾啾啾啾啾飞下来，要去吃那些小种子，或是吃那些刚发出来好嫩好嫩的绿芽。我们那个时候只要一发现就会拍拍手，让那些小麻雀飞走。后来呢，今天还发现，在墙角躲着一只猫咪。那猫咪很专注的在看那些小鸟。我们在猜可能猫咪想要吃掉小鸟，所以当我们拍拍手的时候，那些小鸟噗的飞走，那猫咪也就一脸很生气的望着我们。因为这样所以我就跟孩子分享这首歌，今天也跟大家分享。这首歌呢是这样子唱的。A little bird sat on the tree, on the tree, on the tree. A little bird sat on the tree, still was he. He sought his breakfast on the grass, on the grass, on the grass. He sought his breakfast on the grass. Down flew he. A pussy cat was hiding there, hiding there, hiding there. A pussy cat was hiding there near the tree. He set himself to make a spring, make a spring, make a spring. He set himself to make a spring. 1, 2, 3. But we began to clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. So we began to clap our hands. 1, 2, 3. So then our little bird flew off, bird flew off, bird flew off. So then our little bird flew off. Glad were we. 好，就跟大家分享，拜拜。